In this video, we're diving into an exciting topic that every SUV owner should know about: 13 hacks to make your SUV last over 300,000 miles without major repairs. Are you unknowingly shortening your SUV's life every time you start it? Could skipping that $20 filter cost you thousands later? Why does your transmission fail without warning? And can it be prevented? Whether you are a seasoned SUV owner or new to the game, stick around as we share valuable insights that will empower you to get the most out of your vehicle. Let's get started. Number 13. Regular maintenance checks. Regular maintenance checks are crucial for keeping your SUV in top shape and ensuring it lasts for years. One of the most important tasks is scheduling oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Fresh oil keeps your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, inspecting and replacing air filters regularly is essential for optimal performance, as clean filters improve airflow and fuel efficiency. Don't forget to check fluid levels and tire pressure monthly. This simple habit can prevent major issues down the road. Properly inflated tires enhance safety and fuel economy, while adequate fluid levels ensure all systems function correctly. By committing to these regular maintenance checks, you will not only enhance your SUV's longevity, but also enjoy a safer and more reliable driving experience. Number 12. Quality fuel usage. Using quality fuel is a key factor in enhancing your SUV's lifespan and overall performance. Choosing top-tier gasoline brands can significantly improve engine efficiency, as these fuels often contain additives that help keep your engine clean and running smoothly. Additionally, it's wise to avoid fuel with high ethanol content, as it can lead to increased engine wear and potential damage over time. Ethanol can attract moisture, which may cause corrosion in your fuel system. To further boost your SUV's health, consider using fuel additives designed to clean the fuel system and improve combustion. These additives can help remove deposits and maintain optimal engine performance. By being mindful of the fuel you use, you can contribute to a longer-lasting, more reliable SUV that performs at its best. Number 11. Tire care and rotation. Proper tire care and rotation are essential for maximizing your SUV's lifespan and ensuring a safe driving experience. Rotating your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles helps promote even wear, extending their life and improving handling. Additionally, maintaining proper tire pressure is crucial. It not only enhances fuel efficiency but also contributes to better traction and stability on the road. Underinflated tires can lead to increased wear and decreased performance, so make it a habit to check your tire pressure regularly. Furthermore, inspecting your tires for tread wear is vital for safety. If you notice significant wear or uneven patterns, it's time to replace them. By prioritizing tire care and rotation, you will enjoy a smoother ride and keep your SUV running efficiently for many miles to come. Number 10. Brake system maintenance. Maintaining your SUV's brake system is crucial for safety and performance. Regularly inspecting brake pads and rotors for wear is essential. Worn components can significantly reduce braking efficiency and increase stopping distances. It's recommended to check these parts at least once a year or more frequently if you notice any changes in performance. Additionally, flushing the brake fluid every 2 years helps maintain optimal braking efficiency, as old fluid can absorb moisture and lead to corrosion within the system. Another important tip is to listen for unusual noises when braking, such as squeaking or grinding. These sounds can indicate underlying issues that need immediate attention. By prioritizing brake system maintenance, you ensure a safer driving experience and prolong the life of your vehicle's braking components. Number 9. Battery care. Caring for your SUV's battery is essential for ensuring reliable performance and extending its lifespan. One of the first steps is to regularly clean the battery terminals to prevent corrosion, which can hinder electrical flow and lead to starting issues. Additionally, testing your battery's health annually is crucial, especially in extreme weather conditions, as both heat and cold can affect its performance. If you notice any signs of weakness, it may be time to consider a replacement. It's also wise to replace the battery every 3 to 5 years to avoid unexpected failures that can leave you stranded. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can keep your SUV's battery in top condition, ensuring a smooth start every time and enhancing the overall reliability of your vehicle. Number 8. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly checking and changing fluids in your SUV is vital for maintaining optimal performance and preventing costly repairs. Start by frequently checking engine oil, transmission fluid, and coolant levels, as these fluids play crucial roles in keeping your vehicle running smoothly. Low or dirty fluids can lead to engine wear and overheating, which can compromise your SUV's longevity. It's recommended to change transmission fluids every 30,000 to 60,000 miles to ensure smooth gear shifts and protect the transmission from damage. Additionally, flushing the coolant every 2 years is essential to prevent overheating and maintain the engine's efficiency. By staying on top of fluid checks and changes, you not only enhance your SUV's reliability but also contribute to its overall lifespan, ensuring a safer and more enjoyable driving experience. Number 7. Driving habits. Your driving habits play a significant role in determining the lifespan of your SUV. Avoiding aggressive driving, such as rapid acceleration and hard braking, can greatly reduce wear on both the engine and brakes, leading to fewer repairs and a longer vehicle life. When cruising on highways, using cruise control helps maintain steady speeds, which not only improves fuel efficiency but also minimizes strain on the engine. Additionally, limiting short trips is beneficial as it allows the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature. Frequent short drives can prevent the engine from warming up properly, leading to increased wear and tear over time. By adopting mindful driving habits, you can enhance your SUV's performance and longevity, ensuring a smoother and more reliable driving experience for years to come. Number 6. Protecting the exterior. Protecting your SUV's exterior is essential for maintaining its appearance and value over time. Regularly washing and waxing your vehicle helps shield the paint from dirt, grime, and harmful UV rays, preventing fading and oxidation. A good wax layer also provides a protective barrier against environmental contaminants. When parking for extended periods, using a car cover can further safeguard your SUV from the elements such as rain, snow, and bird droppings, which can damage the finish. Additionally, applying rust protection treatments to vulnerable areas like the undercarriage and wheel wells is crucial for preventing corrosion, especially in regions with harsh weather or road salt. By taking these simple steps to protect your SUV's exterior, you can ensure it remains in excellent condition and retains its value for years to come. Number 5. Interior care. Maintaining the interior of your SUV is just as important as caring for its exterior, as it contributes to both comfort and resale value. Regularly vacuuming and cleaning the interior helps prevent wear and tear from dirt and debris, keeping surfaces looking fresh and new. Using seat covers is a smart way to protect upholstery from damage, especially if you have kids or pets. They can easily be removed and washed, making cleanup a breeze. For those with leather seats, conditioning them regularly is essential to prevent cracking and fading, ensuring they remain soft and supple. By prioritizing interior care, you not only enhance your driving experience but also preserve the overall quality of your SUV, making it a more enjoyable and valuable asset for years to come. Number 4. Using quality parts. When it comes to repairs and replacements, using quality parts is essential for the longevity and performance of your SUV. Opting for original equipment manufacturer (OEM) parts ensures compatibility with your vehicle, as they are designed specifically for your make and model. This can lead to better performance and a longer lifespan for the component. If you consider aftermarket parts, it's crucial to research their quality and reliability, as not all aftermarket options are created equal. Looking for reputable brands with positive reviews to ensure you're making a wise investment. Avoiding cheap alternatives may save you money upfront, but they often lead to more repairs down the line due to poor performance or premature failure. By choosing quality parts, you can enhance your SUV's reliability and reduce the likelihood of future issues. Number 3. Stay informed. Staying informed about your SUV's needs is crucial for its longevity and performance. One of the best places to start is by reading the owner's manual, which provides specific maintenance recommendations tailored to your vehicle. This resource can guide you on everything from oil change intervals to recommended tire pressures. Additionally, consider joining owner forums or groups for SUV owners where you can share experiences and gather valuable tips from fellow enthusiasts. These communities often discuss common issues and solutions that can help you stay proactive in your vehicle care. Also, make it a habit to stay updated on any recalls or service bulletins related to your model, as this information can be vital for addressing potential safety concerns. By staying informed, you empower yourself to make the best decisions for your SUV's maintenance and care. Number 2. Monitoring dashboard alerts. Paying attention to dashboard alerts is crucial for the health and longevity of your SUV. Warning lights are designed to notify you of potential issues that could escalate into your major problems if ignored. Addressing these alerts immediately can save you from costly repairs down the line. It's essential to consult your owner's manual for specific alerts, as different warning lights indicate various issues, from low oil pressure to brake system malfunctions. Understanding what each light means empowers you to take the right action. Additionally, scheduling repairs promptly is vital to avoid further damage. Delaying necessary maintenance can lead to more extensive and expensive repairs, compromising your vehicle's safety and performance. By staying vigilant and responsive to dashboard alerts, you ensure your SUV remains in optimal condition, providing you with a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Number 1. Keeping records. Keeping detailed maintenance records is crucial for the long-term health of your SUV. Documenting all services and repairs provides a comprehensive history that can be invaluable for future reference. This information helps you track what has been done and when, making it easier to stay on top of upcoming maintenance needs. Using a digital app or a dedicated notebook can simplify the tracking process, allowing you to quickly access your records whenever necessary. Additionally, regularly reviewing these records can help you identify patterns in maintenance needs, such as recurring issues or the frequency of certain repairs. This insight can guide your future maintenance decisions and help you anticipate potential problems before they escalate. By prioritizing record keeping, you not only enhance your SUV's reliability, but also ensure that you make informed decisions about its care and upkeep. After introducing these hacks to make your SUV last over 300,000 miles without major repairs, which hack surprised you the most? Comment below and share your thoughts with the reason why.